Assalamu alaikum. Sometimes we need to export all our saved unsaved contact from WhatsApp. There are 900 plus chats in my WhatsApp now and wants to extract all phone numbers in Excel sheet or CSV file. For that we have to add an extension in Chrome browser named WAWCD ChatGPT powered WhatsApp web extension. I provided direct this extension link in the description box. Please check it out. Click Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. It will automatically open a new tab for Web WhatsApp. You must log in WhatsApp Web in this Chrome. Now click this icon, close. It's only promotional notification. Here we can do a lot, but we are now exporting all contacts from WhatsApp. For this, click on Export Contacts and click All Contacts. You can also export group contacts, but I want to click All Contacts. Click Export. It will automatically download and click Open. You can see all the contact list are exported in CSV file. I have already told you that I have 900 plus contact. Yeah, you are done. Hit like button if you enjoyed this video. Comment below your thoughts and do subscribe for upcoming latest videos. Bye.